Hello and welcome back to the Craft Mansion. I'm David, and in this week's video I will start making some Marvel playing cards. Now last week I was scrolling through TikTok and I saw someone drawing a Disney character on a playing card. I'll give credit where credit is due, so here's her username. She has a whole series of these Disney characters on playing cards. I thought, why not make a set for Marvel characters? I spent the past week searching and deciding on what characters to make. I have a whole list of them, and I also printed some images so I can start working on them. Yes, there's a lot. There's 54. I will probably split this video into two parts because I don't think I will manage this in just 1 week. I would like to start making some more art projects like this where I just paint and maybe put some time lapses of me painting on random stuff, even playing cards. If you like this type of art, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so that you can see the following video. And now, watch this. So first I started with some MCU heroes, but then I realized that I don't have enough to fill a whole pack of cards. So I added some X-Men, there's the Fantastic Four, then there's Ghost Rider and Blade, like some other superheroes from other standalone movies. Then I moved on to the organizing. This is in the final version, I've got the actual finished version over here. And then I had to find pictures that could easily fit in the size of playing cards and printed them to size. For the background color, I will try to choose a color that contradicts the main color of the superhero so that the hero stands out more. I printed images of the heroes to the size I wanted and then cut them apart. I didn't cover the whole card face because I still needed the actual numbers and suits, so I covered the sides with tape. For the top and bottom, I made a template so I could have the same thickness for all cards. To get the exact shape, I cut all the images to the outline of the heroes and then filled in the inside by hand. Sometimes I had to paint 2 coats of a color. To mark the outlines, I used felt pens and markers for larger areas. You will notice that sometimes the camera or paper move between shots, because I'm actually filming about 4 at the same time, so as not to waste time waiting for the paint to dry. You might even notice my phone in some shots, as I was filming videos for TikTok along the way. So if you want to see previews as I work on the project, follow me at the Craft Mansion on TikTok. Before removing the tape, I made light scores on the paint at the edge to prevent it from peeling off with the card along with the tape. As much as I could, I used the pieces of tape from both edges, so as not to waste that much. I know, I should have split the deck in half and then did the first half in the first video, but I had to stop with 8 of diamonds so I could upload this video in time. Next week I have more time to finish the rest of the deck. There are more cards, but I have more time, since I've already planned out the rest of the cards. In fact, as soon as I finished editing this video and uploading it, I'll start working on the next set. That's why I haven't cleaned up like I usually do before I film an outro. Push that little bell icon next to the subscribe button down below. It's somewhere near the description, so that you get a notification when I upload the second part of this project. And if you haven't already, subscribe right here. You can also watch some more videos from my channel, and until then, these are the Marvel hand-painted playing cards. I'm David, and this is the Craftmansion. Okay, so what we'll do is, pick a card, any card from the deck.